Baking bread is really simple and easy at home, and I'm going to show you how to do sausage bread rolls at home. This is a soft Asian style bread that you can do as bulk and leave it in freezer to thaw whenever you want, and in fridge you can keep it up to 2 days. 500 grams bread flour, 250 milliliters water. It will vary depending on the size of the egg you are using. 45 milliliters oil, I am using grapeseed oil, 7 grams instant dry yeast, 5 grams salt and 15 grams sugar. So let's start. Into a mixing bowl with the dough hook attached, add the bread flour, and into that add the salt, yeast and the sugar, and then add the egg. Mix it about a minute. Once it is mixed, add the oil, and then add the water bit by bit. After adding about 125 milliliters, wait until it mixes very well. It's about a minute. After, add a bit more water and keep on kneading. So as I can see that it is still dry, I'm going to add the whole lot. Now keep on kneading this dough about 15 minutes. So I knead this dough about 15 minutes and this is how it is. It's not sticking to the fingers at all and very elastic. So I'm going to put this in a warmer place to double in size. So the dough is ready and I'm using some frankfurts. You can use hot dogs or any other sausage that you like. Put some flour onto the bench and take the dough out. Press down and cut the dough into equal sized pieces. If you have extras, you can always use that to make normal buns. So cut it in half again, and I'm going to cut each into 2 like this. Then take one piece, press, and use a rolling pin and roll it to a long rectangular or an oval shape like this. After, get the dough and stretch it, roll it again like this. So using your fingers, stretch it as much as you can. Then take the piece of dough and then start covering the sausage like this. I'm going to leave this on a baking tray to double in size. Let's do another one. Roll and roll the dough this way. Then take the sausage, put it in half like this and start from the top. While stretching, cover the whole sausage like this. And after, tuck the ends in and leave it to prove again. I'm going to cover it with the wet cloth and leave it in a warm place again to double in size. So the bread rolls are ready to go to the oven. Brush with 1 egg yolk. This goes to the preheated oven. 180 Celsius in a fan forced oven or 200 Celsius in a normal oven, about 20 minutes. I finished making the bread rolls and this is how it is. They are really soft and moist buns. So let's cut it and see how it is. A beautiful sausage roll that you can make ahead and leave it in fridge and put it in lunch boxes or as a snack or breakfast, and I hope you will enjoy. See you next time.